have this rechargeable emergency light, that's what they call it. It's extremely flexible and very, you could do all kinds of things with it. This has 6 modes. It gets power into it using a USB-C, which charges here on the back. You can also get power out of this and like charge a device like your phone. It has a gauge here on the top, a handle, magnetic base, so I can put this on anything that's metal. Also has a tripod screw right there. The base adjusts all the way around, and it has 6 modes. So I'm going to show you them now. So if I click this little button on the back, maybe we'll turn the lights out, but I'll cycle through. So it's a spotlight, a flood. I don't want to blind you like I just did to myself. You have a light over here, and then when you do this, both these lights turn on. You can adjust these, of course, right? So the one thing I like to do is you can do it like this. You can have basically 360 light, right? That's another mode. If I click it again, it then strobes, okay? So that's if you're maybe stuck on the side of the road, this is probably something nice to have in your car, okay? I'm gonna turn the lights out so you can kind of see the brightness of this. It's very bright. So this is the spotlight. And one thing I didn't mention is it also has like it glows in the dark. So it charges itself up. See that? There's no power. It's not using power. This actually is like glowing in the dark. But let me show you. So you have that spotlight, flood, single side, double side. All 3 are on, meaning all 3 are on, right? Oh geez, I just blinded myself again. And then we have the strobe, which I'm going to turn that off. So really neat, very neat light. I like that it has a stand. I like that it has an internal battery. And it's plastic, durable. Does come with a charging cord. But yeah, that is the light. See the gauge up here? Definitely an emergency light. There you go. Check it out.